In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use shields on Monopoly Go, whether you're a seasoned player or new to the virtual board game. Understanding how to effectively use shields can make a big difference in your gameplay strategy. First things first, go ahead and open Monopoly. Go on your device. It's available on multiple platforms, so make sure you have it installed and ready to start. Once you've opened the game, you'll find yourself on the familiar Monopoly board, complete with its colourful properties and delightful tokens. Now, the key to obtaining a shield in Monopoly Go lies in your dice rolls. Roll the dice as you navigate the board, enjoying the classic mix of strategy and luck that Monopoly is famous for. During your game, keep an eye out for specific opportunities to acquire shields. These shields are crucial, acting as your board's line of defense against opponent attacks. You'll know you've secured a shield when it appears on your screen. Typically after a successful roll lands you on certain spaces or possibly through specific in-game events. The role of the shield is straightforward yet vital. Once you have a shield, it will automatically engage when an opponent attempts to attack your board. This is particularly useful in protecting your properties from being damaged or stolen, which is a common feature in Monopoly Go. It keeps your board intact and sustainable, giving you a greater edge in the game. Remember, the more shields you have available, the better defended your board will be against multiple attacks. Additionally, having shields can provide you with peace of mind as you continue to build and expand your property empire. This way, even if your opponents are hatching plans to thwart your progress, you have a reliable defense mechanism at your disposal. The strategic use of shields means you're not just playing to accumulate wealth and properties, but also tactically outmaneuvering opponents' attempts to derail your success. As you enjoy the game, it's very important to monitor when your shield is used, as it is consumed after successfully defending against an attack. Hence, keep rolling those dice and aim to secure more shields as your game progresses. This foresight in gameplay can mean the difference between maintaining your lead or finding yourself scrambling to rebuild after an unexpected assault. And there you have it. Using shields effectively in Monopoly Go can significantly impact your ability to maintain your board's integrity and protect your valuable assets. Be sure to incorporate these insights into your strategy the next time you play. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.